Welcome to the Mechanics of Scale. This video offers a visual playbook for understanding proportions, cross-multiplication, and calculating unknown values. Think of ratios as the ingredients and proportions as the complete recipe. A ratio, like 2 to 1, is a comparison of two quantities. A proportion states that two ratios are equal, maintaining the relationship even when scaling the quantities. The core of solving proportions is the cross-multiplication engine. When two fractions are equal, their cross products are also equal, meaning A times D equals B times C. This is key to finding any missing variable. To isolate an unknown variable, we rearrange the cross-multiplication equation. For example, to find A, you multiply B by C and then divide by D. The formulas for finding A, B, C, or D are shown here. This mathematical operation translates across many different scales in reality. Whether you are dealing with pixels and resolution, miles and map inches, grams and milliliters, or dollars and euros, the underlying mathematical operation is the same. One application is maintaining aspect ratios in digital spaces. To find the correct height h for a 16 by 9 aspect ratio image at a target width of 1280 pixels, you cross-multiply to solve the proportion. This yields a perfect 720 pixel height. Another application is bridging map scale to actual distance. If the scale is 1 inch equals 50 miles, and the map distance is 3.5 inches, cross-multiplication reveals the actual distance, quay, is 175 miles. You can also scale chemical solutions or recipes. To maintain the concentration of 20 grams of salt in 100 milliliters of water when scaled up to 350 milliliters of water, cross-multiplication determines exactly 70 grams of salt are needed. It's important to diagnose the relationship as either direct or inverse proportion. In a direct proportion, as one quantity increases, the other increases. In an inverse proportion, as one quantity increases, the other decreases. The math engines for each differ. Proportions have properties that allow for transformation, such as alternation, inversion, composition, and division. These manipulations help simplify complex proportional relationships. Be aware of common pitfalls. Avoid multiplying straight across. Ensure unit consistency by converting to a common baseline. And remember that division by zero creates an undefined mathematical state, so denominators must be actual quantities. The mathematics of scale are elegant, and your time is valuable. You can automate these calculations using a proportion calculator. Simply enter any three known values, leave one field blank, and instantly get step-by-step solutions. This scaling reference guide summarizes the essential concepts: the cross-multiplication engine, direct and inverse relationships, the isolation formulas, and the availability of a tool to simplify your workflow.